Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make a very crispy and tasty restaurant style fried chicken. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 500 grams of chicken, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, half a cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup of corn flakes, 1 egg and of lemon, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and salt for taste. First add the chicken pieces in the mixing bowl. Here I am having chicken legs and wings. Into this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 egg. If you need, you can add more spicy. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and salt for taste. Finally, I'm going to squeeze half lemon. That's all. Mix it well. Once the chicken pieces are coated with the masala, we need to marinate this in refrigerator for 1 hour. Next, in a mixing bowl, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, and add a little bit of salt and mix it well and keep it aside. Next, in a plate, I am going to add half a cup of corn flakes and half a cup of breadcrumbs. Just crush the corn flakes in your hand and spread it and keep it aside. Now the chicken pieces refrigerated for 1 hour. Now I am going to take the chicken and dip the chicken into the flour mixture. Spread the flour throughout the chicken and add this into the water. I am going to repeat the process for the next chicken pieces too. Spread the flour throughout the chicken. Add the chicken piece into the water. We need to double coat this chicken, so that I am going to take that chicken pieces and double coat this with the flour. Repeat this process for rest of the chicken pieces too. Next, we need to coat the chicken with the breadcrumbs and the cornflakes. So that I am going to take the double coated chicken pieces and just dip this in the masala paste. It's the same masala that we marinated the chicken. Now add the chicken into the cornflakes and breadcrumbs mixture. Spread the cornflakes and breadcrumbs throughout the chicken. Once it's binded with the chicken pieces, keep this in a plate. Repeat the process for the rest of the chicken pieces too. Now our chicken pieces are ready to fry. Switch on the stove and place 1 kadai. Now I am going to add 1 cup of oil to fry the chicken pieces. Once the oil is hot, we can start to add the chicken pieces one by one. Cook this for 3 minutes in a medium flame. Then only the chicken pieces will cook inside also. Now 3 minutes over, one side becomes golden brown, so I am going to turn the chicken pieces and cook the next side also for 2 to 3 minutes. Now our fried chickens are cooked very well. This is the right time to take the chicken pieces out. Drain all the oil and keep it in a bowl. Now I am going to add the rest of the chicken pieces too. The maximum frying time of chicken is 5 to 6 minutes only. That's all, it's ready. Let's start our platings. Now our crispy and tasty fried chickens are ready. Let's see how it's cooked inside. Wow, it's really juicy inside and very crunchy outside. It's a very easy recipe. We can make this at our home with less expense. It tastes awesome. I just feel like I'm sitting in the restaurant. So please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.